nothing my family loves more than spending some quality time together in the pool. Luckily, we live in South Florida where that's a year-round activity. But as the weather warms up across the country, I think it's time to re-up your accessory game. My kids are fish. They learned to swim as babies and have enjoyed the pool ever since. Admittedly, we've had to replenish our floats, noodles, you know, all the stuff over the years, and this summer is no exception. So what's trending to help you make a splash with friends and family? Chris Holland from TRC is here to give us all of the possibilities for pool and more, right, Chris?
That's right, Christina. I can see your family really does know how to make the most out of pool time. And with the harsh sun here in Florida, we know you've had to resupply over the years. At TRC, we have a lot of options for you. Whether you're at the pool, the beach, the lake, we have something for everyone.
And you've been around a long time.
We've been around since 1957, so we know what we're doing when it comes to closed cell foam and the vinyl coating process. And so whether your float or life jacket, saddle, if it gets a cut or a tear in it, it'll never absorb water. It's still gonna be buoyant, still gonna float, still gonna work perfectly. So you don't have to resupply as often. Our products last for many years.
So tell me about the materials you put in them to make them last so long.
Yeah, so it's the highest quality closed cell foam. It's vinyl coated for durability and long lasting performance. That way it protects against the harsh Florida sun and your family can have fun for many years.
So you brought a lot for us to enjoy.
Yes, I did. So we've got really great items. For the adults, we've got adjustable chairs and loungers, recliners for the pool. If you've got kids, we have pool games, footballs, ring toss games. If you're out on the lake or at the beach, we have our lazy bun saddles that you can sit in, still hold your food or beverage, anything that you want to have with you, you're able to still hold on to that.
And you have a cooler in the shape of a boat, which may be my favorite product.
Yeah, so our floating cooler is like an ice chest on water. And so it keeps everything cold, floats on the water. It's a really cool item. We call it the boat.
And what about the colors?
So whether you love whites and yellows and greens, or if you're more of a blue person and teal, or for the ladies, we've got that nice bright flamingo pink.
And you have gold too.
Yes, we've got a metallic gold finish that's it really pops in the water.
I've checked you guys out, and your life jackets are used in water parks all over the world.
Yeah, so even though we're made in the USA, we do provide our life jackets all over the world. You've probably seen them down here in South Florida at major water parks, but we're used in cruise lines as well. We do sizes all the way from child extra small to adult XXX. We're the first and the original wraparound vinyl coated life vest. We actually have the oldest number with the United States Coast Guard. So all of our products are UL approved and Coast Guard approved.
Okay, I think we can go join the fun now, but first, where should folks go to find out more?
You can find us online at just about anywhere, Amazon.com, Walmart, Target.com. You can also find us on our website, TexasRec.com, or ask for us by name at your local pool supply store.
All right, enough talk, Chris. Let's go enjoy.
Let's do it.
You can always find out more at designingspaces.tv.